Welcome to Techi. In this video we will see how to install and run n8n using Node.js on our Windows server. If you have been looking for a powerful automation tool that you can host yourself, this video can be useful for you. We will set up a Node.js, we will install n8n and we will run it locally on our Windows server. Before moving further, let's have a quick look on what is n8n and Node.js. n8n let you connect the apps, APIs, databases, webhooks and run automations without writing complex code. You can self-host it for free under the Fair Code license, and it also offers paid cloud and enterprise version. It's not fully open source, but it is free to self-host. You can host your own server and that you can use for free. Drag and drop workflows. It supports 400 plus integrations, perfect for automating IT tasks. Let's see the Node.js as well. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime that allow you to run JavaScript outside the browser. You need Node.js to run tools like n8n on your server. With the help of Node.js, it's run JavaScript on the server. It's fast and lightweight. It is required for installing n8n via npm. It works on Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So let's jump to the server and get started with the installation process. So right now I am on a Windows server, and that is Windows Server 2022 data center, and the memory is installed approx 6 gigs. Let's go to the Google and try to download the Node.js first. So I will just type Node.js. Just click on this Node.js. We will land on this page, get Node.js. I will just click on get Node.js, and here we have different varieties Node.js, that is LTS version. That is for Windows, Docker, npm, or if you want to install it on Mac or Linux, you can select from here and then you can download it. Let's do that for the Windows, and here we can see the Windows installer as well. So I will download this .msi file. Once it is downloaded, I will just run the setup. So it is downloaded now. Let me open the file and I will minimize this, or I will close this. So the two instances are there. I will cancel one. So it says welcome to the Node.js setup wizard. Let's click on next. I will select the license term, proceed with next, next again. Here we have to keep the things default and click on next again, and you can choose that automatically install the necessary tools, and this will install the Chocolatey. That's fine if you want to do that. Let's do that and click on next and install. So it's copying the file and it will get installed. So now you can see it is installed, and just click on finish. So once you click on finish, you will get this prompt here, and here you can see that this script will install Python and Visual Studio build tools necessary to compile Node.js native modules, and it requires like 7 gigs of free disk space. And also it says that if the program is interrupted somehow, you can also restart it from here, like install additional tools for Node.js. Here I will press the enter to continue and enter again, and now it will proceed the script. You can see the PowerShell has been opened and it's running some script. It's trying to download and install the Chocolatey. Let me move it up. So basically it's installing all the package required for the Node.js. So now you can see it has completed all the tasks here. It has installed the Chocolatey, Python, Visual C++, redistribution package and Visual Studio. So our Node.js has been installed successfully. It says type enter to exit. I will hit enter to exit from here. So it is closed now. So let's verify the Node.js version now. I will go to the command prompt and I will type just node space -v and will hit enter. Node.js version we have 24.11.1, and same way we can verify the npm version as well. npm space -v and enter. So you can see our npm version is 11.6.2. So Node.js is successfully installed and we have verified it. Let me reboot the system now. So the system is rebooted, and let's try to open the PowerShell with an administrative rights. So the PowerShell is open now. Now let's try to install the n8n as a globally. Globally means it will be installed for every users on the system. So for that we have to just type the npm install g for global and n8n and hit enter. It has started the process. So now you can see it is completed. It has added 1959 packages in 9 minutes, and still 240 packages are looking for funding. The new patch is available, that is 11.6.4. So if you want to update it, you can update it with this command. So right now we are just not updating it. So now let's start the n8n service. So for that we will just type n8n here and hit enter. So it will start the n8n. It's starting it, and it says that you can host it on this URL and on this port, like 5678 port, or it says press O to open in the browser. Let me press O. So once you open it, you can see it will open the default page like setup page, and here you have to just put your email address. Let me put my email address here, for example info@techijack.com, jackwick, and password. You have to set these things here and just click on next. Okay, password should be, so click on next. I will save it, and here you have to just select these options of your choice. Let me quickly select this. Just fill these details and click on get started, and you can click on this send me a free license key. You can click on this and it will send the key on the email you have entered at the time. And click here usage and plans. It says you are on the community edition. Unlock selected paid features for free forever. So you have to enter the activation key, and that activation key will be sent to your email. Once you have that, you can enter the activation key from your email and you can activate it. This is how you can install n8n on your Windows server. Once you have installed it, you can start with your workflow, or you can start from the scratch. I hope you can install n8n on your Windows server now. I hope the video was informative. Let's meet in a next video.